Guys, on today's video, we are doing a number of restaurants in Bangkok that are over 100 years old. You guys will love these places. Here we go, guys. We are about to have this unreal porridge. I'm gonna take these crispy bites or biscuits, or whatever that is. But we're gonna drop these in, and then we're gonna mix it up. And I got century eggs as well. So I don't know if you guys saw that when they were making that. Oh, probably need to add a bit of soy sauce as well. We're going to add a little bit of this chili, because that is actually super spicy. A little bit of this pepper as well. That was a lot. A little bit of this vinegar, which has chili on it. We're going to mix that all up. I want a piece of that century egg. Oh, yum. That is so comforting, my God. Go in there with a century egg as well, right there. Super warm. That century egg, the taste of that is umami like crazy. Now I gotta tell you guys, this dish actually comes with pork in it. They don't have any other options, so you can't get chicken, you can't get beef. But I asked for them obviously not to put the pork in there, and it's actually amazing without it. Fully vegetarian, not vegan. There's eggs in here. This is the way that I would have it, with the crispy bits, with the century egg, which is right there on my spoon. Look at that. And scallions, and fantastic. And don't forget to add all the sauces. Give it a little bit of a spice, because it will really turn up the flavor. Headed to my next spot. What if we stop? Good time to take some videos. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Morning krap. Krap.
Hot, cool. Mini croissant.
Oh,
It's
perfect.
yeah.
There we go, look at that. Got my full coffee right here. This place is like super unique. There's actually no signage outside, so you gotta drop it on your Google Maps or Waze or whatever you're using to get here, and then look out for this spot to see how they make everything. It is super nice. Got me the local Thai coffee with milk and condensed milk, so it's sweetened. And it's so refreshing. Did you guys see the color of that coffee? This, of course, they are making everything with the traditional clay pot with the charcoal. That's how everything is being cooked. Everything old school right here. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful this wall looks. Look at this. All the old pictures of the king. Phenomenal. So it looks like I'm gonna do something nice over 100 years. Oh my God, this is just a phenomenal place. I got my fix of coffee as well, which is good because I got a lot more places I need to go to get some food. So this was nice, very refreshing as well. It's not a hot day. It's still cloudy today, so actually perfect for filming. Oh, thank you. Look at that, I got some hot water poured into the ice. That's what that is. It's like a tea. Nice. All right, got to the spot. To my surprise, there's a huge line over here. Oh my lord, that line is long. He said it's a 30 to 45 minute wait to eat there, but I mean, now I gotta do it. There's no way I can walk away. All right, I got in. It kind of helps to be just one person. Wow, I'm definitely getting one of these. And I'm getting one of these. That's exactly what I'm here for. Get a little bit of this Chinese tea right here. Jasmine tea. It actually helps digest as well, but super nice. It's not super hot. Oh, that's yummy. They're super fast, by the way, but my assumption is, I mean, with a restaurant that has so many customers like this, so much turnover, they are constantly cooking because somebody's going to come in and order, so that's probably happening to a certain degree. Ooh, thank you. My first dish is here, soft boiled eggs. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, here we go, and my dish is here. Look at that. These toasties, they're nice and warm. Woo, super soft. And I got the kaya, and I got the eggs. Let's mix this up, cut these up. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Oh my lord. And then you got this, but you want to get some of this like that. Look at that. How beautiful that looks. One on its own. Mmm. That is just phenomenal. Oh my god. Another piece of bread. Look how soft that is. Look at that. You got condensed milk on the side, kaya. It's not condensed milk, it's just, sorry, it is condensed milk. And then we got kaya over there. And normally I dip it in there, but you don't need to. You just need to get the big yolk. And all that amazingness that is. Oh, yum. Look at that yolk. Half firm, half soggy, and watery. I dropped some vinegar in there by mistake. I'm not supposed to put vinegar in there, but it's actually very good. And I put the soy sauce, put some of that pepper. Great flavor. Oh, I'm in heaven. Hey guys, I've been open for over 100 years old. You know the stuff here is going to be good. You cannot go wrong. I mean, people challenge any restaurant that's open over 33 years, not 33, 3 years. And what I mean by that is, you know, they say that's when all the rough stuff happens and when you learn everything. And if you pass that 3 years, then you're there for a long time. I don't think people appreciate enough how it is to keep a restaurant open for over 100 years and still deliver on the quality of food and service. My God, my hat's off to anybody who does that. I am so happy right now. I told you guys, if you find a place like this where there's a line long enough for you to say, should I or should I not? The answer to that is you should, especially this spot over here. Beautiful. I'm out of here. What's up, guys? I just want to let you know that I've split my channel, and now if you want to watch anything to do with food content, you can watch it on this channel. I'm only going to keep food content over here, anything that I eat and explore in Dubai or anywhere around the world. But for everything else, for my travel content, watch my other channel. The link is here somewhere, right there. And please subscribe to both so you can watch all my videos. I would really, really appreciate that. Peace out. Go back to your video. Alright guys, so I'm here for the special, and they make a special dish, which is this one right here. It's a fried vermicelli, super nice. I'm gonna get the one with shrimp, crab, and egg up on top. Supposed to be super, super special. Once again, 132-year-old restaurant, so you know they are getting it right. Look at this. What is this? It's a pickle. I'm not gonna get any of those chilies, but get a few of these up over here. And let's get us a piece of the shrimp as well. Let's make sure to get all of that. Look at that. Oh, yum. It's slightly Swedish. I've never had this before. This is so similar to balalit that we have in Dubai, the breakfast dish. Same vermicelli. So this one is deep fried wheat, boil hours, very quickly, just for a few seconds. But interesting dish. I have never had anything like this. It's so amazing to find dishes that you've never had before and try them for the first time. It's such a tasty dish. I did mention that it is just like the Emirati balalit, the breakfast dish that we have, which we usually have with eggs up on top. We do like an omelet up on top of it. This also is like tadig, which is the bottom of the pot when you make rice. The Persians do it and they crisp up the bottom and they call it tadig, which is basically under the pot, which literally translates to under the pot. It's kind of like that as well because it's crispy as well. And also, look, I forgot to tell you guys, got eggs on there as well. Look at that, that is beautiful. Which got a little bit of a limey, citrusy flavor on it as well. I don't know if they just squeeze a little bit of a lime up on top. I'm not sure, but I can absolutely taste that as well. I imagine it would be amazing with chili as well, but I just can't do it. Another one of those amazing sweet and savory dishes in the Thai cuisine. It's so good. Like, I'd probably order 2 of these dishes if I hadn't eaten anything else today, but you know, I've eaten so much today, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to finish this, but I will do my best to eat as much as possible. Okay, I'm thinking of ordering some dessert, and they got a bunch of traditional things over here. I would like to try this one, which I've actually never had before either. This is black sesame dumplings in ginger tea. It comes out hot. This is gonna be super nice and actually a perfect end to this entire 100-year-old food tour because I kept literally the best thing for your body for the last. So let's look at this right here. First of all, you got tea and ginger in there, and I want you to see these little balls right here. And it's steaming, by the way, so it took a little bit of time to get this. So my assumption is this is not ready and they just throw it into the little bowl. I think they actually make this for you, and I just want to show you guys. So look at that, black sesame in there, like one of the best things you could have. Nigella seeds. Look at that. I actually love that. It's very similar to a dish that my mom makes for me, which I eat religiously. Ooh. Oh, that's nice ginger tea. The ginger just cleans up your throat. Yeah, I know a lot of people prefer to go cold for dessert, but warm is just as great. I'm gonna have one more of these, and then I just don't have space. Otherwise, I would finish this entire dish. Now, let's bite into it. It's super chewy on the outside. It's like a mochi ball. Mochi, I should say. Look at that. Look at that inside. That is absolutely yummy. Super nice. I asked where that dish came from, and the gentleman who was at the counter said his grandfather came to Thailand from China, so he's Chinese Thai, and he said that recipe is actually from China, but so similar to the balalit. And I actually showed him what the balalit is, and he was like, that's pretty cool. I wonder where it came from. It could be that that's where it came from, actually, balalit. Oh man, that is amazing. The world is just an amazing place. And by the way, right next to the restaurant is the Talat Plu Pier, so you could actually come here by boat. And I don't know if you've done this boat before. It's a long tail boat, which is fantastic, and we are on the river. Just want to show you guys this place. And that is our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super amazing spots. I promise if you go there, You will love it. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and write me some comments. If you've been to the places, let's compare notes. Peace out.